It's a scenario that seems almost impossible. But what if the moon suddenly crashed into the Earth? The moon is about 1/4 the size of the Earth and has a mass about 1/80th that of the Earth. If the moon were to collide with the Earth, the resulting impact would be nothing short of catastrophic. The collision would release an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The impact would trigger massive earthquakes, tsunami, and volcanic eruptions across the globe. Cities and towns would be destroyed, and the loss of life would be staggering, along with widespread devastation and loss of life. If you were fortunate enough to survive the initial impact, other consequences would be felt as well. The moon's gravitational pull affects the Earth's rotation. If the moon disappeared, the length of the day would increase as the Earth would slow down its rotation. The Earth's orbit would change. The moon's gravitational pull also affects the Earth's orbit around the sun. The Earth's orbit would become more elliptical, which could cause changes in the Earth's climate. The axial tilt of the Earth could become more extreme, leading to more drastic seasons. The moon's absence would be noticed culturally and aesthetically. The moon has long played a significant role in human culture and spirituality. Its absence would be deeply felt by many people around the world. Additionally, the moon's absence would be noticeable from the Earth, as it is one of the brightest objects in the sky and is easily visible from most parts of the world. So let's hope and pray that the moon stays in its stable orbit around the Earth. Because if it did crash into Earth, it would be a disaster unlike any other in human history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.